Getting an implant denture requires multiple visits. The first visit being all of the diagnostics that we need. Many times we will take a digital scan of your mouth. We will take impressions of your mouth to allow us to start to fabricate a very customized replacement of your teeth. We have subsequent visits of many times trying in the things we are fabricating for you to see how they look in the mouth. There are visits that follow that involve placement of the restorations, many times implants involved with it, and then subsequent visits as follow-up for adjustment and things of that nature. So if you're interested in tooth replacement, we'd be happy to evaluate you to see what would be best for you.